Hello, welcome back to a new session of our empowerment training. Today we shall be treating how to make fabric conditioner. That means how to make fabric softener. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Before we go further, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do. If you're also yet to follow us on Facebook, please do. Just click the subscribe button and click the bell beside it in order to follow us on YouTube, and also search for Prince Yemi Kasali 1 on Facebook, so as to get in touch with most of our entrepreneurial and motivational section. To make about 4 liters of fabrics conditioner, we need 5 things. We need a ready-made air conditioner, which we have treated in our series. You can always search or go through our topics to see that. I'll also drop a link below in order for you to know how to prepare your air conditioner. Air conditioner is air softener. So if you are to prepare fabric softener, you only need air conditioner, which is air softener plus white vinegar and hot water, color and perfume. But in our own preparation, we will not be adding color. We will just need to use our air conditioner, use our white vinegar, then hot water, then perfume. In this preparation, we'll be making use of 1 liter of air conditioner and 65 milliliters of white vinegar. Then we'll be using 3 liters of hot water while you put in small color, and we'll be using 60 milliliters of perfume. So before we go further, we need to know that when preparing home care and skincare productions, we need to take some following precautions. Number 1, we try as much as possible to take our preparation away from fire, in exception of if we are asked to heat or boil some of the chemicals, but the rest that are not going through heat should be taken away from naked fire, because some of the chemicals are inflammable and might result to fire outbreak. While you also avoid the chemicals getting in touch with your skin or with your eyes in terms of face, then also make sure you take it out of reach of children. Keep your chemicals away from fire and naked flame, and please don't taste your chemical. So before we go further, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do, and if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, please do. So let's go into the preparation proper. This is our air conditioner. This is our vinegar. We are using apple cider vinegar instead of white vinegar, because this is what I can lay my hands on. And we have perfume, then we have hot water. So we'll be measuring our hot water in this particular training. We are on with 1 liters of hot water. Then we are pouring our hot water into our container, after which we'll be pouring air conditioner into the hot water. So after pouring that into the hot water, we'll be stirring properly so that we have a well stirred solution. So we have our hot water, then this is our air conditioner in the hot water. We stir properly. While stirring, we make sure there is no clots so that there won't be any particles in it. We'll have to measure our vinegar, and we are using apple cider instead of white vinegar because this is what we can lay our hands on. But if you can get in touch with white vinegar, it will be perfect. So we pour it inside and stir. So we keep stirring till we have a very well stirred solution. So we have a perfect solution by stirring properly so that everything goes together. If you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do. And if you're yet to follow us on Facebook also, please search for Prince Yemi Kasali on Facebook and join. So we'll be adding our perfume also into the solution. We already have perfume inside our air conditioner, so the perfume we'll be putting in will not be much because already there's a perfume in the former solution. So we stir properly. So we keep stirring till it gets cold. We can drop it and stir after 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, make sure you just stir it so that it does not have a clot on the surface, because if there is clot on the surface, then that means if we are stirring after the clot, there will be particles in our solution. So we want a solution without particles. So we make sure till it gets cold. After 3 minutes or 5 minutes, you go back to it, you stir so that there shouldn't be any clots on the surface. Just like pap, you know, when you leave your pap, you you start seeing the surface becoming a little bit semi-solid. So we want to avoid that, so you keep stirring, and when it is cold, you can always pack your production for usage and for sales. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. I hope you gained something from this particular training. We'll be expecting your comments, your questions, your compliments, and also your creative criticism. Then if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do. Thank you.